Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment, share. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Karen Chepkirui. Yeah, Karen Chepkirui. So today guys, I'm telling you a story. Based on true story about how I was body shamed. Hey guys, so guys, I was so thin. If I just walked, you could see bones. Yeah, it was bones. And somebody would even touch my hand like this and say, "Kai, so you are just bones. You don't even have meat in your hands. You're just bones." If somebody will touch your hands with so much energy, it can even break. You can imagine somebody telling you that just because you're so thin. Ooh. So guys, so when I went to some school, so weekends I used to get bored because I had no friends because I was so thin. I had no friends. I don't even have somebody to hang out with. And so I decided I should start a hustle. Hey guys, I should start a hustle. Like I should start selling earrings. So I decided to walk to town. Just footing to town, but we were going with someone. But you know what? There is this guy who came with a car. And so he decided to give us lift. But you know, he said he took the person we were going with to town, and then the person we were going with to town asked him why he's not giving me a lift. And then that guy said, "Hey, you know, I can give her a lift, and she might faint in the car, and then where will we take her? Because see how thin she is. He, huyo tu anaweza faint kwa hii gari ikuwe tu kesi." Hey God, I didn't know I was that thin that somebody would think I would just faint in their car. Because I'm that thin, they are afraid that I will faint in the car and they'll not know what to do to me. She took the person I was walking with, and I walked alone to town. Oh my God. It was really bad. So, guys, I went to bought the earrings. So, I decided, instead of selling just inside the hostels, the school, I should be selling outside too. There were some houses outside where when I went to some place that I'm selling earrings, you know what that woman told me? At where? Just go, you know. You look like you can die just here. And then I asked that woman, how will I die here? Yet I'm just selling. And then she told me, you don't see how bones are showing in your body? Hey, it looks like you can just die anytime. You can just angukia hapa na ukufe. Surely. And now I was like, surely, I'm just selling. It's not like, it's not like I wanted to die. No, I was just selling bana. Hata sikuwa na ubaya. So guys, so someday I was walking. So, you know, I was just walking alone. See, I told you I don't have friends. Then just somebody shouted, that girl is so thin that when the wind just blew kidogo, the wind can carry her. Like I was shocked. Like, every day the wind always blew, but it never carried me. So how comes today the wind will carry me? I was taking it serious because these people are becoming too unbearable, because they were just body shaming me every day. And I was eating. Like, even somebody was telling me, it's like somebody was telling me, kwani ukulangi ama uitajingi chakula? But I was eating. Maybe I was eating the wrong things. That's why I was not getting fat. But I was eating. I was. But somebody will tell me I look like somebody who has never eaten for days. Even some people just decided that because I'm selling earrings, the earrings was just 20 bob. But this person wants me to sell the earrings at 5 bob because they see that I really need that money. Just because I'm thinner, they think I need that money so much. They think I need that money so much that I'll be so desperate to even sell them at 1 bob. Like 1 bob. Somebody wants me to send the earrings I bought so expensive with 1 bob. And 20 bob is not even expensive. Surely people are so mean. And then somebody, again, another day, somebody was like, the way you are walking, it's like you can break your legs now, because the way those bones are showing, hey, you can just break your legs now. What? Until now I started staying in the house. I left the asshole because now people are so mean to me. I started now Googling how I'll start getting fat. Guy, I started Googling, I'll get fat. But still, I would eat so much, but I wasn't getting fat. I was just still that thin girl. I think I was even 28 kg. Guess how the bones were showing? Sometimes I even thought those people were really correct with what they were trying to tell me. I think they were just telling me to try and eat, but me, I took it seriously. Bye, guys.